Hello everybody, thank you for watching my video. This is Davey. I want to tell you about Qubittech. This company, the pen good. Look, yesterday I had something like 97 or 92, something like that. Today I had 123. I was thinking just to withdraw, but now I want to leave it for one more week so I can get another package. You can get this one, you can do this one, 500, 1000, 1000, this is very good platform. It's still early. Let me see. When you invest here $1,000, you're gonna get monthly $250. After almost 10 months, you're gonna get this. You're gonna double your Bitcoin. Look, if you put this one on American Express, you put let's see, $1,000. In 1 year, you're gonna make $5. Doesn't make sense. Which one is good? This one, you invest $1,000, you're gonna get $250 a month. That's I think this is good. Okay. How you can sign in? When you log in, when you sign up, you come into from this one, and then you buy a license. Let's say you want to buy this one, the little one, for $100. You click $100, pay now, make payment in USDT, I got another license, but anyway, I reinvest. That's fully fine. But when you want to buy a license, you come in here, you put $100, pay now. They're gonna show you something like this. Either one you pay with this, or with BTC, or with Ethereum. You press here, they give you this address. You copy this address, you put it in your wallet, and then you send it. After you send it, you press here, I have paid, and that's it. I think with Bitcoin take a little more longer, and with Ethereum it's more faster. But that's what you have to do. Okay, and you can see over here, for $1,000 you're gonna get $5 interest in Bank of America, just in the saving. Over here, you spend $1,000, you're gonna get this. How easy it sounds, And then if you want to do affiliate program, this is that what you get in the bonus, everything. You just share or you just make a YouTube channel. Okay, and then you're gonna get a referrals. When you get a referral, is very good because your ROI is gonna go faster, gonna grow up more faster. But you know, this is good. There has a product, there's a signal. You wanna buy signal for it's $30 for a month. When you wanna buy a signal, you subscribe, and I don't do this. Sometimes I do some trades where they got robots. It costs you $3.90, but you can get it for free when you invest $100. $1,000. I use it. You can see I've been using in December. I make $6. I lost 6. I make 11. I lost 5. So this one is working good. And you put $1,000, you're gonna get this. It's 7%, $71 a month. But you know, it's too. I don't mess with that one. I just put my money here to work, and that's it. Now I have 4 licenses. I didn't want to buy this one, but it went there. That's okay. It's like a little cucaracha working, or little ants working for me for $100. I reinvest. Okay, you're not too late to get in. Okay, you can go right now. You can participate. I will help you. Don't worry about it. You just contact me, or if you need some help, I will do help. Okay, because I want to build a good team. I want to help people. And you see my YouTube channel, I'm giving away some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, because I want to give to the community some money or some coins. But there is a lot of scammer. I don't know if the winner got the money, or didn't get the coin. You know, I try to give away. Okay, I like to give away some who need it, but some scammer, they just take. For me, that's fine. For the people who won, they're gonna feel bad. But there is, if you know something like we can fix this one, or how can we do this, I will continue giving away some coins. You just have to like and comment. If you're new, subscribe. That help me, and that can help you guys. Okay, so think about it, about this program. This program is good. I already invest around, how much I have here, 2,200. I've been reinvest, no referral, reinvest. If you want to get in over here, you have to get in strong. If you can afford it, at least this one, or this one, your profit is gonna be more faster. Your money return is gonna be more faster. If this one is $25 to get you double your money, you're gonna pay like 10 months. When you do this, it's $125. You will double in 8 months. If you share your link, you're gonna get more money, and you're gonna help more people, but you're not too late to get in this one. Okay, yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you think about it. $1,000 for $5 for a year, or $1,000, $250 a month. Just think about it, how you're gonna make this money. Okay, this is not financial advice. I'm not financial advisor too. I just share my experience. Okay, any question you can comment in the bottom. Okay, link is gonna be in the bottom. Okay, thank you for watching, and talk to you soon. Bye bye. Oh, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Bye bye.